Welcome to the Scrum Framework at a Glance, your one stop guide to understanding Scrum and its key components. Whether you're new to Agile project management, a seasoned professional, or preparing for Scrum certifications like Certified Scrum Master (CSM), this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of Scrum. Scrum is one of the most popular Agile frameworks in the world, and in this video, we'll explore the core principles and values that make Scrum so effective in managing complex projects. In this video, you will learn about the definition of Scrum, the three pillars of Scrum: transparency, inspection, and adaptation, the five Scrum values: commitment, courage, focus, openness, and respect, Scrum's empirical process control, Scrum roles, events, and artifacts. Definition of Scrum: Scrum is an agile framework for managing and completing complex projects. It was originally created for software development but has since been applied to a variety of industries such as marketing, HR, and even healthcare. The goal of Scrum is to help teams produce high-quality deliverables with a focus on continuous improvement and collaboration. Scrum uses short, time-boxed iterations called sprints, where a cross-functional team works collaboratively to achieve defined goals. At its core, Scrum is designed to maximize the value delivered to the customer, reduce risk, and create an environment where teams are empowered to make decisions. This is accomplished by continuously inspecting and adapting based on feedback from stakeholders and team members. Scrum's key features include self-organizing teams that manage their own work, short feedback loops for continuous improvement, iterative development in sprints, typically lasting 1 to 4 weeks, cross-functional teams that include developers, testers, and business experts working together. The three pillars of Scrum: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. The Scrum framework relies on three essential pillars that ensure empiricism, the practice of making decisions based on observation and experience. These pillars create the foundation for Scrum's continuous improvement cycle. Transparency. Transparency means that all aspects of the Scrum process must be visible to those responsible for the outcome. This visibility ensures that everyone involved has a shared understanding of the project and can make informed decisions. Scrum relies on transparent artifacts like the product backlog and sprint backlog, as well as visual management tools, example, Kanban boards, to ensure clarity and alignment. For instance, the product backlog must be visible and clear to the product owner, development team, and stakeholders, enabling them to make decisions based on priority and value. The sprint progress must be tracked transparently through daily meetings and burn down charts to reflect the team's progress. In real-time inspection, Scrum encourages frequent inspection of the Scrum artifacts and progress during sprints. This helps to detect any deviations from the expected course of action and allows for early intervention when things are not going as planned. Sprint reviews and daily scrums, stand-ups, are key opportunities for the team to inspect the incremental work completed during the sprint. The product owner and development team must regularly inspect the product backlog to ensure the right features are being prioritized and that the backlog is refined as the project evolves. Adaptation. Adaptation is about continuously adjusting the process, plans, and work based on what has been learned through inspection. Scrum teams need to be flexible and ready to make changes to improve the product, process, or practices. Sprint retrospectives provide a time for the team to reflect on how well they worked together and identify areas for improvement. During sprint planning, the team adapts the goals for the next sprint based on the current state of the project and feedback from stakeholders. These three pillars, transparency, inspection, and adaptation, help Scrum teams remain flexible, responsive to change, and focused on delivering high quality outcomes. The five Scrum values: commitment, courage, focus, openness, and respect. Scrum is not just a framework of roles, events, and artifacts. It is also a set of values that guide teams in their collaboration, communication, and execution. These five Scrum values form the backbone of Scrum's culture, fostering an environment that encourages openness and continuous growth. Commitment. Commitment in Scrum means that each team member is dedicated to achieving the sprint goals and delivering high quality work. The team commits to completing the work they set out to do during the sprint, collaborating with others to reach the team's goals, supporting one another's growth and development. Courage. Scrum teams need the courage to take on difficult challenges and to innovate. This can involve making difficult decisions, experimenting with new approaches, or asking for help when needed. Courage is also about voicing concerns when something is not right, whether it's related to the process, relationships, or deliverables. Focus. Scrum emphasizes the importance of focus. During each sprint, the team should focus on delivering the highest value features, avoiding distractions that could affect the quality of the product. This is why Scrum has time-boxed sprints, which help teams stay focused and deliver results in a specific time frame. Openness. Openness refers to transparency in the Scrum process, encouraging open and honest communication between all team members. Scrum values feedback from both the team and stakeholders to improve continuously. Openness promotes a culture of trust where everyone feels comfortable contributing ideas, sharing concerns, and celebrating successes. Respect. Respect ensures that all team members value each other's contributions, opinions, and skills. Scrum teams thrive on mutual respect, which enables them to work together effectively and overcome challenges. It's about appreciating the diversity of thought and allowing everyone to. Scrum's empirical process control. At the heart of the Scrum framework is the empirical process control theory. Scrum uses empiricism, which is the practice of making decisions based on what is known through observation and experimentation, rather than on fixed plans or assumptions. This is a powerful approach for complex projects where uncertainty is high and the path forward may not always be clear. The empirical process control is driven by the three Scrum pillars: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. These elements support an environment where teams can make data-driven decisions and learn continuously from their experiences. Here's how Scrum's empirical process control works. Transparency provides visibility of key information such as the product backlog, sprint backlog, and the increment. Inspection enables teams to monitor progress regularly through Scrum events like daily Scrums, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives. Adaptation allows teams to adjust their approach and the product backlog based on feedback and what has been learned from inspections. Scrum emphasizes the value of iterative progress, where feedback is gathered regularly and adjustments are made to improve both the product and the process. This is why Scrum is often seen as a highly adaptable framework, ideal for dealing with uncertainty and complex environments. Scrum's impact on project management. The Scrum framework helps teams become more productive, collaborative, and responsive to changing needs. By focusing on delivering high-value features and continuously improving, Scrum can transform how projects are managed in a wide range of industries. Increased collaboration between the team, stakeholders, and the customer, faster delivery of high-quality products, improved transparency through the use of Scrum events and artifacts, continuous learning and improvement with each sprint. Conclusion: Scrum for the future. The Scrum framework offers a comprehensive, adaptable, and powerful way to manage complex projects, emphasizing team collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. Whether you're a product owner, Scrum Master, or a member of the development team, understanding Scrum's core principles, values, and processes can drastically improve the way you approach projects. If you're just getting started, consider exploring Scrum certifications like Certified Scrum Master, CSM, or Professional Scrum Master, PSM, to deepen your understanding and boost your career.